Hey everyone, this is Ben Schaff, Level Up Tuts. Today we're going to go ahead and cover the global variables. Global variables, snippets, and then the next video we're going to cover embedded templates all have something in common, and that really is that the goal is to extract pieces of content, pieces of your code, so that when you are ready to update them, you're not having to update every single template. So in the last video we covered a snippet, and what we did, if you remember, is we pulled what was the header into a snippet. And again, you want to use a snippet when something contains PHP and expression code. You want to use a global variable from static content, or mostly static content. The reason why you want to do that is because global variables are parsed really at the very end of when ExpressionEngine is building out a page. Snippets are parsed very early. They're sort of on opposite ends of the spectrum. So what you really want to do is use global variables for things like the footer, copyright information, and stuff similar to that. And that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to pull just this little piece of content here into a global variable. And also, just to be clear, with ExpressionEngine, you actually get a standard list of global variables. For example, we were using one called site name. Like, this is actually a standard global variable, and there's a whole list of them. Let me see. Well, certainly you can bring up the documentation, but so I'm going to go design templates global variables. I think maybe if I click help here, it will bring up. Nah, I didn't bring up the. Oh, here we go. Standard global variables. So there's quite a few. Embed, encode, gzip, hits. All goes on. And here's the one that we were using, site name. And so this is a predefined list, but with ExpressionEngine you can create your own custom global variables, and that's what we're doing. And in fact, it looks like I already have this one created here. I'm gonna go ahead and delete it though. And I'll create a new one doing the same thing. So copyright. And so all I'm outputting here is little copyright symbol, the year, and level up. I'll hit update, and I'm going to go back to the template, that homepage template, and just like the header, we're going to replace this content with the word copyright. And I will hit update and finished, and what we should see here is no change except for, I guess, that U is going to be uppercase now. And there you go. So right, it's very similar to snippet. I mean, you're really just like a snippet when we're looking at global variables. You're just filling out, the name and then the content. But again, we're not putting PHP in here, or we're not encouraging putting PHP in here, or ExpressionEngine tags, or any of that type of stuff. Because again, this stuff is just parsed too late. So again, what you want to put in here is static content. So there you go. That's how you create a global variable and apply it to your template. Like I said, in the next video, we're going to cover embedded templates. And so, right. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye.